Hey there, science buffs! Welcome back to another episode where we unravel the wonders of the natural world. Ever wondered if butterflies remember their larval lives? It's a question that has puzzled scientists and nature enthusiasts alike for years. Today we're diving into the mesmerizing world of metamorphosis to uncover this fascinating mystery. The transformation from caterpillar to butterfly is one of nature's most incredible feats. You see, according to all known laws of neuroscience, it shouldn't be possible for a butterfly to remember its life as a caterpillar. The process of metamorphosis is so radical that it seems to erase all previous neural connections. When it undergoes metamorphosis, its body turns into a liquid, and all neural connections are lost. Imagine if you went to sleep and woke up with a completely different body and brain structure. Yet despite this, butterflies seem to remember everything from their larval days. They exhibit behaviors that suggest a continuity of memory which is nothing short of astonishing. How is that even possible? How can memories survive such a drastic transformation? It sounds like something out of a sci-fi movie, but it's real. Let's break it down and explore the science behind this phenomenon. Hollow metabolous insects like butterflies, moths, bees, and many others undergo a complete transformation process through a pupa or cocoon stage. This process is known as complete metamorphosis. Their entire structure changes dramatically. They essentially break down their old bodies and rebuild them into something entirely new. This kind of transformation is common in the insect world, with about 98% of insects experiencing some form of metamorphosis. It's a widespread and highly successful evolutionary strategy. But here's the burning question. How can an adult insect have memories from its larval stage? This question has led to numerous studies and experiments. A 2008 study found something astonishing. Researchers trained tobacco hornworms to avoid a certain scent by associating it with a mild shock. Tobacco hornworms were trained to avoid a certain scent. This training was done during their larval stage before they underwent metamorphosis. When these caterpillars turned into moths, they still avoided that scent, as if they remembered their training. This suggests that some form of memory survived the transformation. This indicates that some form of memory survived the transformation, but how can this be, given the complete overhaul of their neural structures? Yet, it's not that simple. The mystery deepens when we consider conflicting studies and theories. A 2023 study threw a wrench into the works by claiming that all neural connections are completely dissolved during metamorphosis, making it impossible for these memories to persist. This has led to a heated debate in the scientific community. So, what's the truth? How do we reconcile these conflicting findings? Science doesn't have a definitive answer yet. The more we learn, the more questions arise. But one thing is clear. Nature always has its own way of doing things, often defying our expectations. The mysteries of metamorphosis and memory in insects are far from being fully understood. The mysteries of metamorphosis and memory in insects are far from being fully understood. Each discovery opens up new avenues for research and wonder. So, what can we take away from this? Nature is full of surprises, and there's still so much for us to learn and investigate. Every question answered leads to new questions. Nature is full of surprises, and there's still so much for us to learn and investigate. Maybe one day we'll even find out if butterflies have a preference for jazz. Maybe one day we'll even find out if butterflies have a preference for jazz. Until then, the journey of discovery continues. Thanks for tuning in, and I'll catch you next time with another mind-boggling mystery of nature. Stay curious and keep exploring the wonders around you.